Ever wish to accomplish tasks on your computer faster and more efficiently? Well, keyboard shortcuts are your secret weapon. They are like magic spells that, once mastered, can significantly boost your productivity. So, let's dive into the top 25 keyboard shortcuts that every computer user should know. First on the list is the ever so common yet crucial Ctrl+C or Command+C on a Mac. This combination quickly copies any highlighted text or selected item. Following closely is Ctrl or Command+V, the universal shortcut for paste. It's the partner in crime of the copy command, allowing you to duplicate text or items with ease. Next, we have Ctrl or Command+X, the cut command. This shortcut removes the selected item and prepares it for pasting elsewhere. Then there's Ctrl or Command+Z, the lifesaver of many, as it undoes the last action. Moving on, we have Ctrl or Command+Y. This handy shortcut redoes the last action you undid. It's like a time machine for your mistakes. Following this, we have Ctrl or Command+A, which selects all items in a document or window. The seventh shortcut is Ctrl or Command+S, the quick save command. It's the unsung hero helping you save your work frequently. Next up is Ctrl or Command+P, which brings up the print dialog box swiftly. For the ninth shortcut, we have Ctrl or Command+F, a quick find command that helps you locate specific text in a document or web page. Then there's the F5 key, which refreshes or reloads the page in most web browsers. The 11th shortcut is Alt+Tab or Command+Tab on a Mac. This shortcut switches between open applications. Following this, we have Ctrl or Command+N, which opens a new window or document. The 13th shortcut is Ctrl or Command+W, which closes the current window or tab. Then we have Ctrl or Command+Q, which quits the current application entirely. Next, we have Ctrl+Alt+Delete or Command+Option+Escape on a Mac. This shortcut opens the Task Manager or Force Quit Applications window. Following this, we have Ctrl or Command+T, which opens a new tab in your internet browser. The 17th shortcut is Ctrl or Command+D, which bookmarks the current web page. Then there's Ctrl+Shift+T or Command+Shift+T on a Mac, which reopens the last closed tab. The 19th shortcut is Ctrl or Command++sign, which zooms in on the screen. Following this, we have Ctrl or Command+-sign, which zooms out. The 21st shortcut is Ctrl or Command+0, which resets the zoom level to default. Then there's Ctrl or Command+L, which highlights the URL in the address bar. The 23rd shortcut is Ctrl or Command+E, which opens a search query in the browser. Then we have Ctrl or Command+R, which reloads the current web page. Finally, the 25th shortcut is Ctrl or Command+M, which minimizes the current window. To sum up, these shortcuts, once mastered, can significantly boost your productivity, making computer tasks faster and more efficient. The most common ones, like Ctrl or Command+C for copy and Ctrl or Command+V for paste, are the foundation of keyboard shortcuts. Others like Ctrl or Command+L for highlighting the URL or Ctrl or Command+D for bookmarking a web page are lesser known but equally useful. So go on, wield these magic spells and transform your computer experience. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.